The second emergency, though less likely, but the one that will leave a devastating impact on your family, relates to the one of an untimely death. While there is little that can be done to prevent the occurrence of these events, you can do a lot to ensure that the financial impact of these events on your family is minimized through the help of insurance. What exactly is insurance and how does it work? Let's have a look at it. Go right now and click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. As the term says, a life insurance generally gives you a cover for one's life. So if you decide that at the age of 26 you buy a life insurance policy and you want to cover yourself till the age of 65, then what happens is every year from the day you buy the policy, that is at the age of 26, you will pay a certain premium to the insurance company. Under the terms of the policy, your life is covered till the age of 65. So if something happens to you and you were to have an untimely death at the age of 50, then your nominees will receive a lump sum amount from the life insurance company, which is known as the sum assured. So here the payout is happening to your nominees on the occurrence of an event, and the event being an untimely death for you, who is the person who was insured under the life insurance policy. As we wrap this discussion on life insurance, I would like to leave a thought for you. Life insurance, or rather insurance, is a product which no one will sell to you the moment you need it the most. Do you get the irony of the statement? Life insurance is a product that no one is going to be ready to sell to you at that point in time when you need it the most. The day you're hospitalized and you think that I should have had an insurance cover to take care of my medical expenses, nobody is going to give that to you. If something happens to you and you are on your deathbed and you think that I should have had a life insurance so that my family will get a corpus on which they can depend after I'm gone, nobody is going to give a life insurance to you at that point in time. And that is the irony of insurance, that nobody is going to sell you the product the day you need it the most. And that is why the best time to buy a life insurance product or a health insurance product is the day you do not need it. And also pray that you will never have to use your life insurance policy so that you have a long and a healthy life. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now on the link provided in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. This course is an online course which will teach you all the basics about your personal finances and answer the questions of where you must invest, how you must invest, and more importantly, why you must invest in a particular investment product. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Café. And don't forget to save hard and invest smart.